Okay. So what are the commands we have seen in array? Now already I've typed and checked once. So anyway, I'll just run the code and show it for you. So the first code is to find out the dimension of the array. So when I give array.ndim and I'm just running in the online compiler Google Colab, so you'll just get the dimension is a single dimension array. Now I'm just pressing plus code and copying the same command, and the next thing is I'm going to find out the size of the array. So array.asize. So when I run it, so I'm getting the dimension as 3. So now the same command, I just copy it and I just change the command as shape. So when I run it in Google Colab, so it just gives the shape of the array. So the next command is size shape we have seen. The next command is if I'm going to change this as data type. If the data type has not specified, it just returns the default value as int 64. Now the final thing, if I'm going to give two commands, I'm going to find array1, the same data I've given in both. But what is the difference between these two lines? In the first one, I have not specified the data type as either int64 or int32. In the second line, I've mentioned it as data type as int32. Okay, so whenever I'm going to give the first statement item size, it just takes the data for 64 bytes. So it just outputs in terms of 8 bytes. The next one is when I give the command as 32, int 32, it just outputs it in terms of 4 bytes. Thank you.